Yes, are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out.
Before your very eyes! It's gone! Ooh, what happened to the hot dog holder? Hey, Jimmy, I found a cool video game starring a thin green guy and his friend Mr. Bleep Bleep.
That's the radar, Carl.
Oh, well, my mom doesn't let us have radar.
Well, there wasn't any prune whip. That's my experimental truth-telling serum.
Oh, Jimmy, that's ridiculous. I stole Jimmy's toast the other day. Sometimes I dream about girls.
Maybe we better go.
I don't think Ultra Lord exists.
La 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 la, I don't want to hear it!
Everybody all right?
Jimmy, I got sand in a very uncomfortable place.